Hello everyone! This is completely safe. Sorry about that. Captures, 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 captures. Busting open the position and captures, captures, and captures. That's not a captures.
The good. The bad.
The disgusting engine line.
The showdown.
Hoodie guy. Yes, it's me again.
The reason.
The good stuff. What's the idea here? You will see soon enough. A lot of pressure here. It is every engine for themselves. A critical moment. A lot of nasty discoveries here. And it was in this position that Leroy Chess resigned the game. So thank you all. I will see you soon and have an excellent rest of your day.